Here's an update from the KSHB 41 Weather Center. All right, you have a question about the weather, you can ask me anytime. Go to my Twitter handle at Jeff Penner KSHB, or email me at jeff.penner@kshb.com. Or you can find me on Facebook as well at Jeff Penner KSHB 41. So yes, we have maybe some questions because there's a lot of weather going on. Let's go through this. We are tracking several rounds of thunderstorms. And as of early morning on Sunday, we had a lot of clouds. We had a little peak of sun just as it was rising, but I don't think we're going to see a whole lot of sun as we go through the day. We're going to see rain here in Kansas City. And you saw that little wipe there. It said dry. I need to change it to wet. That was last year. This year has been wetter than average. We had 1.36 inches rain, melted snow January. February was a dry month. March was wetter than average. April is going to be wetter than average. We're not done yet. We averaged 4.05. Now, we are, for the year at KCI, 7.49 inches of rain, which is 1.46 above average. But look down on the south side of the city. Olathe, representative of many places down there, especially in Johnson County, 5 inches above average. 11 inches of rain and more is on the way. Let's take a look at the radar as over the last several hours. This system came out of Baja California. We have been tracking it, and it went into southwest Texas, produced some flash flooding, and it's coming right up I-35. It is headed right towards us. Very rarely in Kansas City do you have an area of rain that has formed, and you can just track it right on in, and you can figure out when it's going to get here by simple math. Usually we're trying to forecast things that don't exist yet, or going to form here, or whatever. Usually this happens to our east in St. Louis and Chicago. It forms here, and then they can use simple division and math and figure out when it's going to get there. But they have their forecast challenges as well, no doubt about it. But this one, we can see it coming down I-35. There's no doubt about it. And not severe, some heavy rain, maybe a flash or two of lightning, and you can see the disturbance there near Oklahoma City. So let's go through all this here. We are timing it out beginning about 9 to 10 a.m. in Kansas City, a little bit later off to the north and east, and it should end about 2 to 4 p.m. as this thing is not an all-day rain event, as the whole thing's moving northeast at about 30 miles per hour or so. So let's go into our powercast here. We take a look. This is for noon today, and temperatures are in the upper 60s here early this morning. It may drop to the low 60s during the rain, and some winds gusting 20 to 40 miles per hour. It's already been gusting to 30 at times already this morning. And then this afternoon, the rain moves out. This evening, maybe we see a peak of sun. So we saw a peak of sun at sunrise. We may see a peak of sun at sunset. Temperature will be back up to near 70. And then overnight tonight, it is quiet. Temperatures will be in the 60s. Then we begin 3 days where we have to watch the atmosphere closer than usual. So tomorrow we have a dry line. That is a separation of warm humid air from warm dry air, and there's a triple point, but that's way up in Minnesota. Cold front, warm front, dry line. When meteorologists see this, they think severe weather, especially in this part of the country, and especially April, May, and June. There is a severe threat tomorrow, but it's really up in Minnesota into the triple point. Along the dry line, along the warm front, you can get severe weather. The cold front's in the drier air, so it doesn't normally happen with these triple points along the cold front in this situation. But there's a layer of warm air aloft, and it should cap the atmosphere from being able to produce thunderstorms. Plus, which I don't have on here, a lot of clouds, keeping it in the upper 70s to near 80. If it were to get warmer, probably have to get close to 90 for there to be thunderstorms. I don't think that's going to happen tomorrow. Then on Tuesday morning, there may be, you saw a little shower thunderstorm pop up there. If there is, it will struggle. I just don't think we're going to see much tomorrow or tomorrow night. Then Tuesday morning, things are reorganizing, but they're not organized, as we have the dry line coming out of the cold front. The triple point is not really there. And during the afternoon, we're going to have plenty of warmth and humidity as we get into the low 80s. And you can see at 3 p.m. some thunderstorms forming. And between 3 and 8 p.m., they really develop quickly. Now, not every model does this. Some have the cap holding, and we don't have anything. This model has thunderstorms, but even if it does this, are they actually severe? The dry line backs up, the cold front is sitting to the north. They're not really on a boundary. So it's really those boundaries, especially a warm front where you get the most severe weather and the dry line. But you can see it's organized, but it's not organized. So there's some limiting factors there. Then that moves out. The main system comes out and the system reorganizes again Tuesday, Wednesday morning. But by Wednesday afternoon, it's kind of weakening as it's reorganizing, and there could be some thunderstorms. They could be severe, but again, just exactly how is it all going to set up? So it's a threat of severe weather, but the confidence on how it's all going to evolve is not exactly that high. Now, how much rain are we going to see between today and Wednesday? Most areas should see another 1/2 to 2 inches of rain. A few spots could see 2 to 4 inches of rain, just depending on where those thunderstorms set up. Like yesterday in northern Kansas, they had 6 to 10 inches of rain with that line. And then the review of severe weather today, they've taken the level 1 to 5 out. It's just down there near Emporia and Wichita. There could be a few thunderstorms if this dry line gets going later on today behind the system. And then tomorrow, we're not in the threat anymore either. It's up near that triple point, and there's a way down to the south along the dry line where it might get a little hotter and more humid. So I don't have it there, but from Oklahoma City southward. Then on Tuesday, that's our day. We're in a level 2 of 5 if we're going to have severe weather. And on Wednesday as well from here eastward. But again, this is still highly subject to change. So as we go into the forecast for today, 65 to 70 and low 60s during the rain, windy with rain and thunderstorms, moving at 9 to 11 a.m., ending 2 to 4 p.m. Rainfall about 1/4 to 1 inch, could be a little more in a few spots. Wind south 15 to 25, gusting 30 to 40, 58 mile per hour higher is severe, so I don't think we're going to have that. And see the Royals first pitch 1:10, so they may have to delay it, but they should be able to get it in because once it ends, that's it for the rain for the day and evening. And then the current play at 3, they play in the rain unless there's lightning. So if there is lightning, well, the rain, as you can see, will be ending right around at the beginning of the match. So hopefully both games will get in. Then tonight, just breezy and mild, 64 to 68. And then tomorrow, around 80, windy, mild, a lot of clouds tonight and tomorrow. So we kind of review all the severe weather threats and the thunderstorm threats for today, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. 100% chance, periods of heavy rain, but 20 to 40 mile per hour wind gusts, but little to no severe threat. Then Tuesday afternoon and night, a 40% chance of thunderstorms. If it goes severe, and they really get their act together, all forms of severe weather are possible and flash flooding. And then Wednesday afternoon and evening, a 40% chance. All forms are possible if it really gets going. But you see, it's a 40% chance. There's a 60% chance it's just either thunderstorms or not even that much at all. So we'll just have to keep an eye on it. And flash flooding could be the biggest threat. Flash flooding kills more people per year than tornadoes and lightning. So when it comes to severe weather. So that's actually the worst of the threats. So just keep an eye on that. Turn around. Don't drown. So here's a super 10-day forecast. We look at 80 on Monday. Then we have those thunderstorm chances Tuesday and Wednesday. Nice day Thursday. Another storm Friday to bring some thunderstorms. And we shall see if we can get it out of here by NASCAR weekend. It could linger into Saturday. Regardless of whether it rains or Saturday or not, those temperatures pretty chilly weather for the weekend. Next weekend. Have a great rest of this week ahead. Stay with KSHB 41. We'll keep you advised and stay healthy.